Hi, I'm Josh Fisher with Fisher's Marina, and we are standing on a Sylvan 2021 L3 LZ floor plan. The L3 means it's a L model and it's 23 foot long. The LZ stands for what configuration the seats are in, and we have 2 helm seats with 4 lounge seats and bench seats. This boat is equipped with a extended rear deck, wide-handled boarding ladder, and rear speakers with rear controls here at the swim deck. It has a deluxe ski tow bar on it, which is a really nice feature. It finishes off the back of the boat, also gives you somewhere to grab as you're getting on and off the boat. With the extended rear deck, it makes it easy to put the cover on at night when you're done with the boat, so you can walk around the back here. The rear loungers are plenty large enough for 2 adults to sit here comfortably, or somebody to stretch out and relax in the water for the day. Each of the speakers has mood lighting underneath them to give you some lighting at night if you're out boating at night. As we come up here to the driving and co-captain's area, you'll notice we have 2 high-backed helm seats, and one thing that Sylvan really does a good job on is making sure the seats can turn all the way around without hitting the seats behind them or the fence panels. When you come to the front of the boat, you'll notice we have 2 lounges at the front, and they are large enough for somebody to lay out and enjoy the sun for the day. The one in front of the helm is a little bit tighter than the one on the other side, but still plenty of room. At the helm, we do a raised platform on a lot of our L models. A lot of customers like this because when you're setting up the raised platform, it allows you to be able to see over top of the person in front of you. The L has an extreme amount of leg room for the driver, so you can really stretch out and relax. Tilt wheel, the seat is adjustable so it does slide forward if you need be. All the switches are easy at reach. Something that's nice about the L series is a master power switch that allows you to shut all the stuff on the dash off with one switch. The radio is a JL audio system and has a nice sun cover to keep the radio clean and neat during the day. Cell phone holder here, as well as a secondary cell phone or accessory holder up here to the side, and then somewhere to stow sunglasses, wallet, keys, just a little cubby right here. This also can be an area for a fish finder, a depth finder. All your gauges are nicely laid out here. The control is conveniently to the right, nice level that you can get on the lake and relax and you're not holding it at an odd angle. Keys just below that with 2 cup holders. Again, the helm seat turns all the way around without bumping anything, something that they really do a good job on. The helm has a nice storage area right here that you can stow bags in, coolers. Again, Sylvan gives you a changing room on most of their boats, which is conveniently placed in one of the lounge seats. Curtain drops down. It's more nice to get out of wet clothes or change into bathing suit for the day for some water sports. If you'd like to know more about the L3, please contact us today. Thank you very much.